I welcome you to Village Herbs Clinic, and today we are going to talk about asthma. My name is Dr. Hannobil. I'm the CEO of Village Herbs Clinic, and you can follow us for more education and more teachings. I want you to like and follow and share our link to other people who want to learn. Asthma comes with a lot of symptoms, but the most common one is the shortness of breath. The person can't breathe well. The chest is tightening, you feel the tightness of the chest. Right. These are some of the common ones that a person will be showing. That is like you can't breathe well. And what are the herbs good for asthma? The best herb good for asthma is garlic. Garlic is one of the best herbs that can use for asthma. Grind the garlic, mix with honey, 1 tablespoon twice in a day to bring it down. You don't get garlic, get turmeric, mix with honey, 1 teaspoon twice in a day is good for the person. When you get cloves, boil some cloves, so pray, and drink it twice in a day. It will bring the symptoms down. Thank you very much for following our video, and be careful. Know that health begins with the mind. So follow Village Herbs. Thanks. Bye.